Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. Guess what? In today's video, we'll be making this beautiful cowl dress. It's very simple and easy to achieve. You can see it's very free. This is the back and this is the front. So guys, if you are stopping by for the first time, kindly pause and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Now let's get to work. Now I will use this fabric for the tutorial and I'll fold it into 4 pieces. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the front and back. I'll be cutting it together. Now for the measurements, the length is 60 inches. I need my length, my hip measurement and the shoulder measurement. That's the 3 basic measurements I need for this tutorial. Now the shoulder measurement is 16 inches. Divided into 2 will give me 8 inches. I'll add extra 20 inches, making it altogether 28 inches. That is for the shoulder. Now my hip measurement is 42 inches. I will divide it into 4, making it 10.5 inches. This is 10.5 inches. I'll add extra 5 inches. So altogether I'm having 15.5 inches. So I will take it to the down part. Now I will join the lines together with my stretch ruler. Now to form the cowl, I will come down from the hip by 6 inches. This is 6 inches. I'll then curve it to this edge. Before I do that, my sleeve, that is my round sleeve here, I will mark 6 inches because I don't want it to be too open. So I will be using 6 inches. Now I'll curve this from this point to join to these 6 inches here. I don't want it to start exactly from the hip. That's why I'm going down by 6 inches. Okay guys, before I cut it out, I'll now place my neckline. For the shoulder slope, I will mark 4 inches and 8 inches. That is standard for your shoulder slope. So this is 4 inches here. And this is 8 inches. That is, my shoulder slope is starting exactly from these 4 inches here. Now, from the 4 inches here, I will take my slope. That is 1 inch to the sleeve. I will join the lines together. Then for my neckline, I will make it 3.5 for the length. The length is 3.5 while the width is, I'll use 5.5 inches. That is the depth of the neck. That is the front and the back is the same length. If you want, you can make the back to be high while the front to be low. But I'm making both of them the same length. So we'll be cutting it out. Now, remember I've reduced the sleeve by 1 inch. I'll add it back. So I added another 1 inch because I reduced it from the shoulder slant. Now the cutting will be from here. So I will notch this as my sleeve point. You can see that I've notched it. So I'll go ahead and cut the rest of the clothes. For this point, I don't want it to have a sharp point. I'll just curve it this way. And I will stop at this notched area. You can see that. So we are through with the cutting. I'll open it up now. Okay, so this is the neck. Okay, this is the neckline. To start sewing, I will first join the shoulder lines together. I will sew through the shoulder line, then as well sew through the other shoulder line. But before I join the shoulder lines, I will place the neckline on another fabric, unfold. I'll place the neck on the fabric and trace the neckline to the shoulder line. Then I will cut it out. and as well remove the clothes. I will cut out a half circular shape. I will place it on another pieces of fabric to cut out another half circular shape that will make it up full round circle for the neckline. Now I will place both of them to the neckline and sew. Then fold the down part or the hemline. After that, I will show you the next thing I will do. Now I've joined the shoulder. This is the shoulder and this is the neckline. I've done it. This is how it would look. I will use my iron and iron it very well. So this is the neckline. The next thing we do now is to sew it from this hand. This is the sleeve side. I will leave it open. I'll go to my sewing machine now and join these two sides together. Join it down to the hemline. Now I will go to my sewing machine and join the two sides together, leaving the sleeve part open. I will leave this side open and sew the rest of them to the hemline. Then I will show you the next thing we'll be doing. Now I've joined the two sides together to the hemline. The next thing I'll do now is to fold the sleeve. I'll fold it like so. After folding the two sleeves, I will hem the down parts like so. Okay guys, we are through with the clothes. You can see this is the sleeve and this is the second sleeve. This is the cowl side, while this is the hemline. You can try yours. It's very simple and easy to achieve. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friend, and make a comment. Thanks.